Hi everyone, welcome to Data Legos. I'm Naveen Kumar Gunapanini, and here you'll find deployment concepts explained in the simplest way possible. Today we are going to learn about understanding components of our stack. My goal is to make every topic easy to understand, so you feel confident applying it in the real world. Let's get started. Welcome back. This is part 3 of understanding components of our stack. In parts 1 and 2, we learned how the UI, API, and database work together, and how dependencies and configurations keep them running. Today, we focus on database setup for deployment, the steps that make your data layer reliable and ready for real users. Here's our quick roadmap. Our stack includes the UI, vanilla, API, Python vanilla, and databases like Postgres, MySQL, and Neo4j, and how they fit together. We also covered environment variables, secrets, and ports, and why ignoring them breaks apps. Now we'll go deep on database setup basics, schema migration, seed/test data, and backup considerations. Database setup basics for deployment. Deploying an app isn't just about the code. The database must also be ready. If the database isn't prepared, your app might start, but it won't have the data or structure it needs to actually work. Let's start with schema and seed data. Why database setup matters. Without the right setup, your features won't have the tables or sample data they need. The app runs, but nothing useful happens. Schema migration. Think of the schema as the blueprint of your database, tables and columns. A migration updates that blueprint as the app evolves. Example, initially, the user's table has ID, name. Later, the app needs email, so we add ID, name, email. Tools, Alembic, Python, Flyway, Liquibase. Why it's important: it keeps your database structure in sync with your application. Analogy: it's like renovating a restaurant kitchen to add a new oven, now you can cook more dishes. Seed/test data. Definition: preloaded sample data used for testing. Examples: insert 5 demo users, add 10 sample pizzas. Why it's important: developers and testers can check the system before real users arrive. Analogy: like keeping sample food items ready before opening, staff can practice, test service, and fix issues early. Database setup, backups and safety. Let's protect your data with backups. Backup considerations. Databases hold valuable information. Losing it can be a disaster. Imagine a server crash wiping out orders, payments, or accounts. Types of backups. Full backup, a complete snapshot of the database. Analogy: copying the entire recipe book. Incremental backup, saves only the changes since the last backup. Analogy: copying only the new recipes added today. Best practices for production. Schedule daily, nightly backups. Store backups safely in the cloud, e.g., AWS S3 or Google Cloud. Test your backups by restoring them, so you know they actually work. Real analogy recap. Quick recap with our restaurant analogy. Schema migration equals renovating the kitchen, add an oven. Seed data equals sample food items ready before opening. Backups equals insurance and photocopies of recipes your business can continue even after a disaster. Thank you for joining part 3. Here's the student-friendly summary. UI is what you see. API is the messenger. Database is the kitchen. Dependencies, environment variables, secrets, ports are like electricity, gas, and keys. Without them, the restaurant or app can't run. Database setup means prepare the schema, seed with sample data, and always keep backups. Thanks for watching this module. I'll see you in the next one. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Data Legos for more simple and practical tech content.